Have you ever wondered why that wobbly IKEA shelf you built yourself feels more special than the expensive pre-built one from that fancy furniture store? Well, my friends, you're experiencing what psychologists call the IKEA Effect. And today, we're going to explore how this fascinating phenomenon can transform your team's engagement and create a workplace where everyone feels invested in success. Picture this. It's 1950s America, and a cake mix company is struggling with sales. Their perfectly measured just add water mixes should be flying off shelves, right? Wrong. But when they removed the powdered eggs and made customers add fresh ones, sales skyrocketed. Why? Because people valued the cake more when they put in even that tiny bit of effort. This simple change tapped into a fundamental human desire, the need to feel like a creator, not just a consumer. Let's dive into 4 powerful ways to leverage the IKEA effect in your workplace. First up, project ownership. Instead of handing your team members complete solutions, involve them in the planning phase. When Sarah from marketing contributes to the strategy, she's not just following a plan, she's nurturing her plan. Watch her engagement soar as she takes pride in every milestone. The key here is to involve team members early when their input can still shape the direction of the project. Second, custom tools and processes. Let your team members design their own workflow templates or meeting formats. When Alex creates a project tracking system that works for the team, he's not just using another tool, he's using his tool. The investment of effort creates an emotional connection. Even better, encourage cross-department collaboration to create solutions that benefit the entire organization. Third, skill development programs. Here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of traditional training, let team members contribute to creating learning materials. When the sales team collaborates on building their own best practices guide, they're more likely to embrace and implement those practices. Consider implementing a Teach to Learn program, where team members create and deliver training modules in their areas of expertise. Fourth, innovation workshops. Create regular sessions where team members can pitch and prototype solutions to workplace challenges. This not only generates valuable ideas, but also builds a culture of ownership and continuous improvement. Remember, some of the best innovations come from the people closest to the work. But here's the secret sauce. The IKEA effect works best when you find the sweet spot between too easy and too difficult. Like those cake mixes, you want to give your team enough guidance to succeed, but enough freedom to feel genuine accomplishment. Think of it as scaffolding. Provide the structure, but let your team members build the solution. The magic happens when team members start seeing their fingerprints everywhere, in the processes they've refined, the solutions they've created, and the improvements they've championed. This isn't just about engagement, it's about creating a workplace where everyone feels like a co-creator of success. Think about it. What aspects of your team's work could benefit from a little more DIY spirit? How can you transform passive participants into proud creators? The answers might just revolutionize your team dynamics. If you found this video helpful in understanding how to boost team engagement, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to GEM for more leadership insights that sparkle. Share this video with other leaders who want to transform their team dynamics. And hey, drop a comment below sharing how you plan to use the IKEA effect in your workplace. I'd love to hear your ideas.